So here we have it, introducing the 7th generation Nissan Z. Z and sports car enthusiasts, this is the one you've been waiting for.
It has legit performance with an advanced twin-turbo engine, the first ever launch control. It's tech-packed with a driver-focused interior, customizable digital display, and seamless connectivity. It's all new, but you will definitely see the iconic Z styling carrying through.
Ready to see everything Z has to offer? Let's get started. Let's talk about power. The numbers speak for themselves. 400 horsepower, the most of any production Z car ever. The thrill starts here with a twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6. And to get the most out of those twin turbos, Nissan came up with a really great solve. The engineers added turbine speed sensors. This lets them tune the turbos to really spin.
Nissan even gave you a gauge to see it working, up to 240,000 RPM. And this iconic triple pod cluster is pure Z.
And while we're under the hood, check this out. The motor is pushed back in the chassis for better balance. And this strut tower bar stiffens the front end so the suspension can work with greater precision. Now that you know what's under the hood, let's see what it can do. One mark of a real driver is the ability to get a great start off the line. And with 400 horsepower under your right foot, that can be a challenge. Nissan came up with some great solves to take your skills to the next level.
Like available launch control, the first ever in a Z. As you get off the clutch, this system lets you pull away. No bogging, no spinning, making you look and feel like a pro driver.
Automatic transmissions get a similar system too, and a new mechanical limited slip differential helps distribute the power, while beefed up synchros on first and second gear help you smooth out the shifts.
Nissan redesigned the shift knob on the manual transmission, creating a perfect ball design that fits perfectly in your hand. Great when you're grabbing that next gear.
And these gauges, Nissan worked with the NISMO Super GT500 driver to design a display suited for performance.
He put the shift light right above the tack. You can see it flash without looking away from the road.
And even the seat is purpose-built.
When accelerating, these cutouts were designed to give your legs better access to the pedals.
After the launch, Z doubles down and helps you in the twisties as well. Let's start with the stance. The wheels are pushed out to the corners. This gives the chassis great stability and puts the mass towards the center of the car, which equals quicker response to steering inputs. The chassis was also stiffened, letting the suspension work with greater precision. There are available super lightweight, forged 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels.
With new high-performance tires delivering corner carving grip.
Even the brakes got an upgrade for enhanced stopping power and feel.
Nissan not only gave Z the hardware to handle, but they designed it so you get the most out of every corner. Let me show you. Like downshifting in a turn. If it's not exact, it can unbalance the chassis and make you look like a rookie to your passengers. Here's a great solve. SynchroRev Match technology.
It lifts the throttle when you downshift for a super smooth transition. Even a novice can shift like a pro.
Nissan also made sure the suspension communicates with the driver. This wheel is inspired by generations of GTR models and is connected to an all-new electric power steering system. You don't just connect to the drive with your eyes and your hands. That's why the Z's driver's seat hardwires you to the experience.
You've got synthetic suede inserts that help keep you from sliding in your seat, and these padded knee bolsters to help you brace during cornering. While this pad helps hold you during braking.
All of these features add up to make any driver better and make a good driver feel like a pro. The Z's a great performer when it comes to connectivity too.
You've got the latest tech, including Apple CarPlay integration and Nissan Connect. And a cool little storage area that hugs your smartphone while you're hugging turns. And you've got USB-A and USB-C ports right next to it. Here you have 3 available screens. And you can customize them too. The Z has this amazing Bose premium audio system with 8 speakers with dual subwoofers. The system reduces unwanted road noise to make for a more focused drive and can even pump in sound from the engine to keep you connected to your machine.
It's obvious Nissan dialed it up when it comes to tech. Powerful, capable, and designed to thrill on every level. The Nissan Z is truly an iconic sports car, and it's earned the right to wear the badge.